So hello, this is where I'll start off the video. Firstly, this is me talking for why the first time. Yeah, over here. This is where I'm gonna visit the Epic Tech Web and test out all of Char's stuff. But we're going to let's go do some stuff.
You have to meet a camera first, and you buy it. That was free.
How do you do that third map? How do you do that third quest?
Give me a camera. Can someone give me a camera?
Go on YouTube. Go. Come here.
Hey,
I will
you.
show you what it is. It's
Can you
right
give me
here
that
on the
camera?
app. On TechWeb, there's a little phone on
Me
it.
and my own YouTuber.
They add a
Does
phone.
anyone else
No, I don't. How do you do this?
Bro, just get your own
You
camera.
have to do this.
Do a YouTube tutorial.
It's like,
How do you get a camera?
I don't know if that works.
Bro, tag
You
me.
need 3 colors. You need 3 colors.
You create a channel yourself.
How do I create my own channel?
Okay, did you hit your head? Did you hit your head when you were Did you hit your head when you were Did you hit your head when you were 10 months old?
Can you stop messing with my stuff, please? If you're gonna mess with my stuff, at least give me a glowing paint plus.
Seriously, I'm telling you.
And
To do a YouTube tutorial. You're asking me.
thank you. Actually will help me a lot.
How? Slap your butt cheeks. Now give me a camera so I can do it. No, give me. That's how I make my own
do you
YouTube
want-
channel. So give me a
you want
camera.
check-
Bro, if you have a camera, that doesn't mean it's not just going to be on his channel. You need to create a channel. Use a YouTube tutorial on how to create a YouTube channel.
Okay.
Dude, do you want to check out
I do.
my
Dude, you have cameras?
private? Yeah, but you can't really use them unless
I hate
the
you.
person
Tuna.
is
You
in
know what? I
the
can
same
use
lobby.
one. I know what one I can use.
No, if
The whole
I
one.
give you one, that disappears.
I don't care
you.
because I'm going to be holding one.
Do you want to go to my private world where I start
Can I have a
Come on.
camera?
over here?
What's your private will? I want to come.
A private world is where
Give it back. Please. No. Please.
private world is where you go ahead.
Oh, stop.
Get out of my care.
Oh my
Okay,
god,
so-
stop! We don't
So
have
you-
permission to get in my private!
I'm gonna
Yeah,
see.
you want me to.
Oh.
Said you
Oh
want
my
me
god.
to. Why you getting...
Hello. So you're here.
I love
Oh.
cameras.
Oh, okay. So yeah, this is my. Oh god, that. Okay, that works on there.
Don't worry, I can help. I got some paint. I said I got
Don't
some
worry.
paint. Crap.
Okay,
Okay,
so
I'm a dummy. I got some wooden blocks. I have my balls.
it'd be
I
fine.
even made the Liberty stat of my balls.
Now,
Crap. I can take care of that.
okay.
I really want a camera. Because I'm trying to make my
yeah.
own YouTube videos.
You gotta go to the mobile app and then you can buy it from there.
How do you go to the mobile app?
You look up Yeeps on. There we go. Now we got some light.
On what?
On the App Store.
Okay.
go. I don't know how
I
much
think I
light
gotta
that can,
type Yeeps hide and seek. Well, I can just go on the thingy and
okay,
click
so dude, do you got like a tech web or
seek.
something? Uh, you could just
Seek.
put it like over here with the screen facing on the wall. Yeah, like that.
No, I can't
There.
do it. I really want to be a YouTuber. Can someone
Uh,
just give me a camera?
no, it will go to them, not you. Uh,
I my best friend had a camera and he came to me.
yeah, but it still belongs to them. It
Even
doesn't
if I
ask.
type Yeet, I typed Yeet and seek on the App Store and it said, "Sorry, no answers found."
Let's search up Yeep.
Yeep. Okay. What? Thank you. Um.
There we go. Okay, so yeah, this is kind of just my little area where I have my desk area over here where I can say hello to the people watching, all that kind of stuff. And I also saved
You should add color.
some. No point. This is that way. It's kind of like a place where I agree. And if I need to add anything else, I got all this area, and there's another entrance over here or exit. Like I might do like a little parkour course for. If you don't have the mobile app, then it's not really recording anything. See how mine flashing red? That means it's on the mobile app right now. And I have screen recording everything, including the sound.
We
With
should
the
add color.
spit.
Like at
I'm
least
so
make
bad.
the
I'm so
ground a
bad.
different
Uh,
color. Like a
you could
darker brown.
you could build like up here. I just don't want the stuff below to have color because it's just gonna be where I do all my work, and when gonna be
Wait,
like
come here,
where
real quick.
I do stuff.
I always want to do a video with you. Like I
Uh,
can't help it. I never saw a YouTuber in
Tell me if
weeks.
this just I'll fix it. Just tell me, does this at least like color look better for the ground?
uh, yes, sir.
Give it more life.
Then we also got
Paint.
the other stuff with the full size maps that I will eventually get to.
Okay, not the walls.
No, not the wall. Let's see. Which one was that? I think no, not that one. This one. Yeah, that one.
I don't have those walls.
This one is here.
Oh,
Oh,
oh, no, not that one. I don't like that one. Yeah, this one.
is it this one?
Uh, uh,
Bro.
give me that.
That was a wooden one.
You might want to get out before I put it
No.
down. And
You can still get out, dude. Super easy.
yeah, you just have to climb, but
That's really all, but it's kind of hard.
anyway, so you got that. Let's just see if.
Are you making a YouTuber video? Are you making a video right now?
Yeah, I just got finished on recording part two of this, and this will just be reviewing. But I also got the lights now.
Can I be in the video with you?
You already are.
Oh.
Bro.
Yeah, you can just kind of build, do whatever you want up here. If y'all add me on Oculus, y'all can feature in more of my videos or
Oh,
help
can
me
I add
out
you?
with more.
I'll go add you. I'm going to add you.
If you go to you gotta go back down the normal way. The normal way. There is no other entrance or exit up here. It's just kind of with Carton Studio over
You're
here where
playing.
I
Okay,
do.
good. Meow.
So yeah, if y'all want to add me on Oculus, we can do that,
Wait,
and y'all
there's
can
4
help me out.
people here.
No,
What?
3.
There's 4
It also
people here.
shows. It also shows the mobile app as well.
There's 4
Uh,
people.
yeah, that's double. You can just exit through this way real quick.
Wait, what? There
Now
is
I
four
just got you
people.
to call. Now I
No,
just get to call you
that's
Oh
now.
also
yeah.
me. That's
Yeah,
my
it's also
mobile
him.
app.
Mobile
If
app.
y'all could
Oh,
paint the lamps, that'll be that's great. The lamps.
oh yeah, sure thing. Oh, I should pay for that. Cause I actually have all the paints.
I think this table should be gray.
Uh, yeah. Also, there's more lamps over here. Uh,
I got
right?
that.
Y'all can paint it gray if you want. We also got the chairs. Don't paint that.
Dang it.
Don't you can get what we paint that gray. No, those are 2 separate chairs.
Oh.
That's one chair for me where I'll do intro. See,
Ah.
you can
Good.
just paint this
Good.
gray again. It'll be good.
I don't have any paint. Good job.
Okay, so
Oh,
there, there we go.
sorry, camera.
Then we also got all this stuff over here.
Let's go in here. Can you go in here?
No, I don't have that unlocked yet.
How do you get it unlocked?
You gotta buy both the Snowman and Gollum. Gollum.
How do you
Why
buy
did I
them?
say Gollum? No.
It's gnome.
Get yeah, no. You can get it from there or the store.
No,
Wait.
I am doing something. I don't mean to do this. This happened. I'm not doing that.
Oh, I'll put it back. It's not like a
Sorry.
great. There we go.
Sorry.
Wait.
Y'all didn't paint that one. Okay. Yeah, look. Yeah,
Already
put
got it.
back. If we could just put
I
it
don't.
back.
How do you
Yeah,
get
perfect.
that?
Now
Bark.
it's not in the way.
It's not in. It's not against the wall. I didn't.
But if it's back here,
How do you get that?
Try getting in. Look, it's like
How do you get that?
blocked off.
I could just move the doorway, you know. But
Oh,
no. If I move the doorway, I can use that room for something else as well. But just kind of do that. Just doing some.
Camera's watching you build. You know.
Yeah, I know that.
Maybe you
I
should
want-
not. Then they're gonna give you. What's your video called?
Well, I have main videos.
What's they called? Cause I'll subscribe to this one for you.
You subscribe to my YouTube channel.
I don't know your YouTube channel. I don't know what Yeeps. I can't find Yeeps YouTuber. So I gotta know you so I can subscribe to you. Like.
Well, the YouTube channel name King Blights with a globe.
Okay.
With the Earth as the logo. Part.
wait, what's it called?
There, King Blights with
King Rice.
Twice. You
Twice.
can't give
Pink. Wait, pink.
King.
Right? King. King.
Twice.
Kinga.
Yeah, I'll
Right,
think of a
right.
different YouTube channel later on.
I think I have the perfect
Let me
name.
look at your name. Oh, King.
I have the
oh, that's
perfect
how you spell it,
name.
Okay.
I have the perfect
and
name.
It has
I
the
have the-
world as the logo.
I have the perfect name. I have a perfect name, you know. Maybe you should call it J-Man Curly Canine.
No.
Then
Okay,
mix
what
together.
does it look
with
like?
The logo is just the Earth.
Earth. Okay.
Nice. Good job. Let me be right back. Ah, ow, the balls. Ow. Ow!
What the
My leg!
heck?
My leg! My leg! My leg! It's gonna be. Oh! Ah!
Anyway, so
Ah!
uh,
Ah!
you gotta be kidding me.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
If you could just paint that again.
Comment on my. Mom!
Despite
My
me
mom's
having
gonna.
like,
My own mom's gonna download a new game for me.
despite me having like literally 30 videos, I have just 5 subscribers. Then I also have somebody else who wants to help me with this stuff, but I haven't really heard from them in a while. So, yeah.
Wells. Monkey Wells. Yeah.
We got tech lab over here
Hey,
with
Mom.
that.
If you see it, I want it. Monkey Wells. Oh, wait, what's our pin, Mom? Why? I want to know it.
What you guys doing?
You see it anywhere?
I'm just kind of added
Yeah.
to this wall
Go.
real quick.
Ooh,
Enter.
Ooh, that's
Got it.
pretty
Yes.
nice.
Thank you, Mommy.
Anyways, so what
Bye.
what I think is next on the agenda is switch it back to blue.
Dude.
So
Dude.
yeah,
Dude.
you were outside, just
Dude.
kind of climbing your way. What's up?
Dude. My VR's gonna die.
no.
That's
So
okay.
long.
If you
So long.
double hit,
So
if you
long.
double hit,
Hug. I want
uh,
a hug. Oh. Hug.
okay,
Bye.
if you double hit
Do,
like the
do,
frame,
do, 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 do.
uh, dude, if you double hit the friend request thing, I
Um,
think you go to my Oculus account where you can add me on there. So that way you can join it back.
yeah,
Uh,
bye bye.
It's a little pool.
uh, yeah, that's cool.
Got a nice little pool.
So, if if you want to add me on my Oculus, you just have to double hit the friend count, and add friend. I'm pretty sure it goes to the Oculus count, right? Hold on,
Yeah.
let me test that. And
Wait, does your YouTube have any subscribers? Or like how much?
5.
5. Okay. I'm gonna keep scrolling until I find it. So it's just the Earth, right?
Yeah, that's the Earth. Also, I sent you a friend request on Oculus, so that way, if you leave, you can join back.
Hmm.
So, I don't really think anybody losses these Eve videos, but once we actually start getting a schedule to these and
Wait,
ask
is there
them,
any uppercases in your YouTube?
uh, for the K and the B,
Okay.
so, uh,
Uh,
dear viewers, if you have any requests to add something to this, you can always type it down in the comments and we'll see what we can do with that. So, yeah, I got all this set up to where if you're actually inside of this place, you cannot see like outside. It all very controlled. This is my first time having someone actually this interested in doing this. I think I'm thinking of like this area. I'm gonna add the store or maybe that area right there.
We
Kind of
should
bland.
do, or like here, and then we can make it like a 2-room store. Like this is the entrance, and this is the actual room.
Yeah, we could do that. Yeah, we could do that.
So
Just gonna. Mm, let's see here. No, that's too small. I mean, too big. There we go. Perfect. Now we got
let's
to do it
make
at
dark
this.
brown.
Uh, yeah, just
Oh, dang it!
uh, let's. Uh,
You want to keep the color?
nah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like that.
So once we actually get like a decent crew of people to help me with this, we can do a lot more stuff. Because right now, all I have access to is my phone and my Oculus for making YouTube channels. I also got my Xbox, but pretty hard because gotta do the thing and make sure it stays recording. I'm gonna worry about that later though. If you wonder what why there's a 1 block wide gap here, is so that way lighting goes here and not like super dark. It's also why I've been searching for the light block for so much.
Dang it! Wait, I'm gonna try to make the word shop.
Okay, that could be pretty fun.
Slight problem.
What?
How do I make an S? Is that a good S, or is that more of a Z?
Uh, I don't even know what to make of that. It'll be fine though. Thanks for helping me out with this stuff.
You're welcome.
So that will be. It's only fine. Oh, be. Oh, or it could be the. Do you know one the stuff that you did for the S's for the H?
Oh
Another one
yeah.
with these.
Like this.
What? No.
Wait. Maybe
Give me
we
that.
could do.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my god.
Put the put the 2 lines back. Also, put the 2 lines back, and I'll show you what I was talking about. Uh, trial and error. Okay. Now this. Yeah. Okay. I don't think that's gonna work how I want to.
I was thinking of changing this one. This bottom one. And I'm putting.
It's gonna be hard.
Maybe we can make a lowercase h.
That's what I've been trying to do.
Oh,
Okay. Let's actually hold off with making the letters
wait.
for right now. It seems. Oh yeah. Yeah.
It didn't work.
Oh. Okay. Anyways. So for everybody watching, this actually going along pretty nicely. I was just right in the middle. God, I wish they didn't have like the surrounding of the actual block, and we could just place them all together. We also got these.
Um,
Okay,
uh,
so what's up? Yeah, let's hold off on that for right now. They're
okay.
gonna. So let's see. Look,
Is there any blocks I could use that would help? No. I'm gonna keep trying. Wait, do I have that block?
what
If I
block?
have that block, that would be amazing.
This block?
No, I have that one.
Uh, I think if they made like this like an actual sign instead of the hangout mode thing. Like this have an actual sign where we can just
Yeah, that
put
would be
stuff
awesome.
on there. Yeah, that'll be very helpful for this. Okay, so now what?
I'm gonna keep trying. Maybe like a.
Okay. How you do that? I'm gonna work on. I have no idea what to do out here though. Like up here, this blank space. Like, of course, it's gonna be like a tower of sorts. Let's see. There we go. That much better. Now it's centered. I think. Let's see. We're going off of this. Close enough.
I'm forgetting the middle part. I can't do it.
Yeah, it's not gonna work out how we advance it. Actually, let's see.
Wait, I think I got it. If I,
If you get the T, hold on. Let's see. Here, on the T pipe. Hopefully, your guy help us out with this. T, I help. Yeah. I have zero money right now. Oh, my headset is low on battery.
no,
Battery.
I can't do it. I'm just gonna do
Okay, you just did my
store.
friend request, right?
No, I forgot to. Wait, I got you.
Make make sure
I'm
make sure
okay.
you do that so that way.
I did it.
Okay, good.
Oh,
My
request
headset.
confirm. There.
Okay, so
I'm
now,
just gonna make it say store, I guess.
yeah,
Shop
store,
or store? Again,
store,
I'm not gonna
because
do this.
soft by actually, what are we gonna do about the O? Wait, I know. You can, okay, what? Do you have like those T pipes? You
The
could
T
put,
pipes?
yeah, T pipes. Uh,
Where are those?
right, right here.
Okay.
You can use that as the top of the half pipe, I think.
Wait, I can use it for the T. Watch.
Yeah. See?
Wait, they're
No,
gonna
what?
be
Do,
really.
no,
I
do like,
can't. I can't put it. It goes like that. So I have to put it
oh,
like all the way over here, which sucks.
hold up. Let's start with the O. Let's put the O in the middle, and then we go off of that.
I'm still gonna try to make the T. Maybe I'm
I
gonna have
know.
to move the S.
uh,
That? Oh, I got the T.
Oh, you got it. Yeah. Okay, if we get O, that'll be very good. So, first, let's actually move the S and the T over. We're gonna move everything like over to where the O is in the middle, since it's the third letter of the five-letter
Let me
word.
wait. First, let me get the word so I know like how to do it. Yeah. Store. How am I? How am I gonna make it? Oh, like an R
R. Seems seems simple enough.
or an
Or
E?
we're probably gonna have to do lowercase r.
Oh yeah, good idea.
Okay, so we're about done with this. Oh my god. So, so right now I got what, 3 people helping me work on this. That kid who did. Hmm.
Okay.
Boom.
Yes, if I do this, put this here for the R.
Boom.
Then an E. Okay, let me just make an E down here.
Uh. Oh. Okay, I got the art dude done. Got you done.
This.
So, and the other guy I was talking about is I'm always friends with him. So yeah, we got 3 people that to work on this with us. The E. No, do the top of it, kind of like O, I guess. Huh, that's gonna be hard. Yeah, place this.
Well, now how
Uh,
are we gonna add the middle part?
this.
Which is here. Wait. Here. Now, how do we
Ah,
squish all these together?
I do not know. This is.
Wait, if we put this here, and we get this.
No, no.
That's not gonna
Let's use
work.
that T one again. The T pipe again. Okay, place down the T pipe as the mill. And then place
You're
down the
so
earth.
smart. Yes.
And there we go. We got uppercase E.
Oh, it
Which is
actually looks
probably
good.
gonna, which is bigger than all of those.
That's not good.
Fuck. Uh, yeah, it can be like slightly bigger than all of them, but I think be okay. So there we
It'll
go.
be fine.
We got store. Uh, now.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, if we go over here on the other side, kind of.
There. Wait, where did the other letter go?
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
That was so outplaced. Oh
Here,
my
let's try to
god.
make it smaller.
We got. How are we gonna make that smaller though? We have the. They definitely do not give us enough options.
I have an idea.
Okay.
Let's just make every other letter bigger.
Yeah, that also my plan. Where the O we can just drag it down some more. The O we just gotta make into more oval shape than a circle shape. Uh, if we're doing the R like that, we could probably make it into uppercase R with the right enough skills. Uh, yeah, and then you just
What?
uh,
Um.
put them back. They should be fit on there.
Oh my gosh! Now the O is the biggest. Yeah, we're gonna have to keep a lowercase O. Sadly,
Oh,
we could have a
uh,
small O. That's fine.
okay. Okay, so we got all that. Wait, no. We got the. Oh, okay, that just worked the same. Not normal. Okay, okay. Oh, we could just move the O like a little bit downward. Like, just move it down, kind of.
My goodness,
Yeah.
the E is so big.
Yeah. Yeah, the East. Oh my god. This is. Okay, let's not. Okay, so, oh look, I got the perfect setup for this actually. Okay, so put the O in the middle. No, keep everything the same, and then just
Wait
put
there.
the
I
O in
got
the.
everything. I've got most of it as big as the E.
Okay. Oh, since the S we're making should be bigger, we could probably. Okay,
No, the same problem. You can't
what you
place
mean?
it. Oh, wait.
No, it's just going off.
Like
There you
that.
go.
There.
Well,
And now the
okay.
O.
Hold up. We move
I got
everything
it.
since we're
I got
moving everything. No,
if we
since we're moving like up here, the O in the middle, what we could do that that would make everything equal, but you know
there. Wait,
this
that
won't
actually looks
be
really good.
open to the public, like this. Okay, well I
Still
was
looks pretty
actually
cool.
yeah, there.
Here, let's
Okay.
move everything one this way. Piece by.
What the heck? You keep facing it the wrong way.
Oh
Now
my.
it's just become a see. We should probably built it. One more over, one
Mine?
more over. Oh, I got like 5%, I think. Everything, everything. One more over. Ugh,
Okay, I got the S.
I'm at 5%. It says. Okay, now.
Oh, wait.
Yeah,
Can you
that's
finish it
yeah.
for me? You can finish it for me. I'm gonna go.
Okay. And there we go. Nice and good. Except for the light blocking the way, honestly. He left. I could edit all this later, right? So, uh, yeah. So, so everyone that's been, so everyone, this